In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Ram 1500 key fob. This key fob has been used since 2019 up until present day, and it takes one of these CR2450 batteries. You can change the battery yourself at home. It's very easy. You'll just need a screwdriver and one of these batteries. If you'd like to pick one of them up online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. First step is to press on this button on the side of the key fob and remove the internal key. Now we will be removing the back part. It's just a thin layer of plastic, and you can see there are these little seams here, right here. Oh, there's a little opening here and one right here. I'm going to take this, right here and here. I'm going to take a precision screwdriver, insert them into those holes, and pry upwards. If you'll just watch, once it gets in there, you can just lift up, and now we've popped open the left side. And over here on the right side, we'll do the same. Insert, goes in, and you can just kind of lift it up like that. Now, if you don't have a precision screwdriver, you could pick some of these up on Amazon, this set. I mean, it's just a couple of bucks, and it's really useful. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get one of those. You can even do it with a bigger screwdriver. It's a little more tricky. Again, we're just going to aim for this little opening where the seam is, and a little more risky, but you can push it in just like that, as you see, and twist. Just turn like a key, get the left side open, come into this opening now on the right side, wiggle it in, and twist. And there we go, we've removed the back piece of plastic. Now here's our battery. All we need to do is pull it down until this lip is you could just pull it out because it comes out from under this little ridge there. And we have our 2450 battery. Take a new one, make sure the positive side stays up, and you will just put it first into this bottom part of the key fob and click it down and kind of push it back up into place where it was before. And the last step is just to click this on. It's just a little bit of pressure. It'll snap back into place. Don't forget to put your key back in. And that is all it takes. You are good to go. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or drop us a comment. And for more information on how to change the batteries for any of your key fobs for any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.